Hey guys, today I'm back with another video. Today's video we are going to be doing a slime shop. So if the skit is Gucci, I'm sorry, not Gucci, Scammer Slime Shop. So if you don't know what scam means, it means, well, like, never mind. Just get on to the video. Yeah. Okay, so guys, we technically, okay. No, shut up. You know who you play. Okay, sorry. My friend was talking to me, so I was like, yeah. So annoying. Okay. So what were we talking about? Oh yeah. So yeah, my customer ordered three jiggly water slimes. So they thought that they were going to get that. I'm so tired. They thought they were gonna get that. Honey boo boo, you ain't getting it. Nope. To the nope. No. You're gonna get scammed. So that's him. Say hi. Say hi. Cricket. Anyway, so he didn't want to say hi. So, what are you doing back there? What are you doing? Okay, I'm not gonna argue before you, to be honest. So, guys, as you can see, it's literally dark. It's literally dark. If you couldn't see that, it's so dark outside. Dark. So, they ordered 3 jiggly water slimes, and they thought they were gonna get that. They ain't getting that. They get water. She's gonna get water. So I'm gonna go fill up the bowls with water. The containers with water, and I'll see you when I'm done. Okay. So I've got these 3 containers. They're filled with the water.
I'm getting my coat in the water. You should have
Alright, so I'm just gonna secure them. No. So I'm gonna see while I ship them to their house. So I'll see you when I'm finished. Faye, come here. We need you. Faye. No, I'm serious. Okay, so they're still not shipped to her house. So yeah, we'll see you when we got it all done. Alright, go. Those are your slimes, not yours. Shut up. You shut up. So got them. I sent it to them.
jiggly slime.
So yeah, let's see their reaction.
Water. Yes. Oh, I forgot. Now let's play with my real slime. It's not a slime, see?
Shut up.
Don't tell my name.
This is not even slime. Why do you do this? Okay. I'm gonna kill this iPad.
That's my favorite.
I don't know. It's not.
Yes, it is.
So,
You hear this now?
they play with it and say, I got scammed.
I've been scammed.
Louder.
I've been scammed.
Open your next one and see if you got scammed. Open your next one. That one.
You can open it.
Say, I want to play with my next one and see if I got scammed. Say, I want to open my next one and see if I got
I'll
scammed.
open my next one and see if I got scammed. So first, I have found glue, so.
That's not what you do. Slide. Leave the water alone. Stop it. You messing up the freaking video. Say, I've been scammed once again.
I've been scammed once again.
Say, screw you. Yes, say it. Say, curse you, Sparkle Slime Shop.
Curse you, Sparkle Shop.
Louder.
Curse you, Sparkle Stop.
Say, curse you, Sparkle Slime Shop.
Curse you, Sparkle Slime Shop.